Why your AC pressure switch is important. Your AC pressure switch monitors refrigerant pressure, protecting key components. A properly working pressure switch helps protect the compressor and improve safety. Possible causes of pressure problems include low refrigerant and leaks. The pressure switch, though small, prevents larger and more costly repairs. Regular maintenance identifies pressure-related issues early, ensuring safety. A healthy pressure switch helps protect your comfort and system. Maintain your AC for better performance and comfort.